Yeah, 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 yeah. What's good, it's 3 Pac boy? What's good, it's 3 Pac boy? What's good, it's 3 Pac boy?
Listen up, you're a joke. How you fat when you're probably broke? Probably cause you only living off hope. It's all you got, yeah, yeah, yeah. What, was that a choke? 3 Pac, this nigga dumb as hell. So you ain't gonna be hearing 3 Pac, cause that's the shit that's gonna get you killed. Soon you're probably gonna get billed by who? Tupac. Yeah, he gonna come back and show you this game is real. So go back to GameStop for real. Will you need a lesson? Don't ever try and reincarnate a fucking legend. And don't try and diss me back, I'll come at you in a second. You don't know me, all I know is you're a fat weight rapping wannabe. And if you're gonna wanna talk shit on me, you're gonna have to pay a fee. Another pussy shot down, yeah, check please.
3 Pac, yo, what the fuck is that? Your freestyles are so
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I think you're handicapped. In other words, I don't think you can rap. Okay, shit happens. You're so hardcore, you're wearing construction glasses and holding a sword. You think you can rap, bro? You don't even record. In the rap game, you're misinformed. You're a bitch. You're looking from behind you. Under your pants, yo, it's probably a vagina. Don't ever diss a legend. In your life, you need to get redirected. Know some vocabulary. I guess school's what you never attended. If you think you can rap, grow some balls and write a diss back.
How to shit out. 3 Pac, peace.